This demonstration is about the energy of a pendulum system. There's potential energy and kinetic energy that we're going to talk about. You set up the 5 pendulum system this way. These stainless steel balls have little eyelets in the top of them, and you just run a line from one support rod through the eyelet, tie it off to the other support rod at the top. They must hang vertically, and they must hang at the same distance from the support rods. So the potential energy is given when you grab one of the balls and raise it a certain height above the others and release it. That ball will convert potential energy to kinetic energy, kinetic energy of motion. That kinetic energy will be transferred through the balls to the end ball, and that kinetic energy will transfer to potential energy as the ball gets higher and higher. When it reaches the height of its swing, it will stop and reverse direction and then begin to convert potential energy back to kinetic energy, and the process just repeats. Now this is a loop, so it will never decay, but in real life you lose some energy to sound and vibration. You can notice the end ball bounces a little bit and you lose energy that way. So eventually this system will come to a stop. It's not perpetual, it doesn't live forever. So this is a good example of changing potential energy, energy of position, to kinetic energy, energy of motion.